Science.
Hi. My name is Mr. Bumgardner. And my name is Mr. Cruz. Our friends, Lola and Bugs Bunny, want to know the probability of their kittens and grandkittens having gray fur. We will use a basic principle of genetics called the probability of inheritance. To find the probability of inheritance, we can use a simple technique known as the Punnett square. When using the Punnett square, all you need to know are the genotypes for fur color, for both Lola and Bugs Bunny. What do you mean by their genotypes? Genotypes are what allows you to know the different alleles you have for a trait. For example, Bugs Bunny has gray hair, so his genotype would be Big G, Big G. Lola Bunny has brown hair, so her genotype would be Little G, Little G. The two alleles for fur color in their case are Big G, which represents gray fur, and Little G, which represent brown fur. Since gray fur is a Big G, this means it is the dominant allele, and Little G is for brown fur, which means it is the recessive allele. Dominant alleles are always expressed. Recessive alleles are expressed only if the genotype has two of those alleles, homozygous. So let's see how Lola and Bugs Bunny's genotypes can be used in a Punnett square.
A few moments later.
Bugs' genotype is Big G, Big G, therefore he is homozygous dominant. Lola's genotype is Little G, Little G, therefore, she is homozygous recessive. Let's put their two genotypes into the Punnett square. All you have to do is pair Bugs' alleles with those of Lola's to see what genotypes their kittens would have. In the top left bow, you pair up Big G with Little G. In their case, all of the boxes will result in the same genotypes, Big G, and Little G. Since they have one of each allele, they are heterozygous. Remember, Punnett squares don't tell you how many offsprings will have that genotype. It only gives you the probability of their kittens inheriting the genotype. So, since all of the boxes resulted in the same genotype, Big G, Little G, 100% of their kittens will be heterozygous. Now let's see what happens with their grandkittens. Using the genotypes acquired during the first Punnett square, Big G and Little G, we create a new Punnett square. When you cross those, you get one box with Big G, two boxes with Big G, Little G, and one box with Little G, Little G. Therefore, 75% of their grandkittens will be gray, and 25% will be brown.